Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Delta State Governor Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori has directed contractors handling the Ughelli-Asaba highway construction project to redouble their efforts and ensure that it is completed in the shortest time possible. Right Honorable Oborevwori gave the directive recently during an inspection of work done on site, where he noted that the Ughelli-Asaba highway is one of the most important roads in Delta State.
Last week, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori, Governor of Delta State, went to inspect the pace of progress made so far on the Ughelli-Asaba highway construction project. The project was awarded in 2008 to link up 3 senatorial districts of Delta State to its capital, Asaba. To ensure its speedy completion, the Ughelli-Asaba road construction project was divided into 3 sections and awarded in tranches. After many years of delay, immediate past Governor Ifeanyi Okowa recommenced work on the project in the twilight of his administration. It would be recalled that during his inauguration on the 29th of May 2023, Right Honorable Oborevwori had vowed to complete all projects inherited from the previous administration to fast-track development in Delta State.
This administration will ensure the completion of all ongoing projects, roads, bridges, schools, and other physical infrastructure. As you all know, government cannot do it alone. Hence, we shall build a conducive environment for public-private partnership investments in virtually all sectors of the economy.
In fulfillment of his promise, Right Honorable Oborevwori decided to make the Ughelli-Asaba highway construction site his first port of call since his assumption of office as Governor of Delta State. While briefing contractors on site, the Delta State Governor called for speedy completion of the project in view of its socio-economic importance to the entire state.
This road is very key to all of us in Delta State, not only to the Isoko people, but to Deltans. This is the only road we can use to access the capital. So it's very key to us, and we want it to be completed as soon as possible.
Prior to this time, a leading Japanese firm, Bai Corporation, and its indigenous partner, Bai Nanotechnology Nigeria Limited, had approached Right Honorable Oborevwori to deploy their new technology for the construction of roads in the oil-rich state. Representatives of the Japanese firm who were present on the occasion of the governor's inauguration on the 29th of May 2023 said they were in talks with the Delta State government to deploy nano-engineering technology for the construction of roads in the state.
You see, sometimes in Nigeria you do a road, after 1 year of rainy season it's washed out. But this, they will not be washed out because the soil will be stabilized and it's like a rock.
We did the testing even with the worst soil, like we took soil from Aja in Lagos State, we took from Ikorodu. They have the worst soil in the country because this is based on the advice from the University of Lagos that if this technology can work with even this worst soil in the country, that means it can work anywhere.
In constructing roads for Delta State, Bai Corporation intends to introduce its Stern Magic Sand, which is an additive used to increase the strength and hardening properties of soil. According to representatives of the Japanese construction project, the use of Stern Magic Sand has simplified road construction projects in many parts of the world and holds great prospects for Delta State.
The old conventional way of doing road, when you come to a road, you remove the topsoil and you remove all the soil before you get to the red soil. You go to borrow pits, take soil from borrow pit and feed the road again before stone basing and asphalting. Okay, but this technology does not do all that, except the road is existing road destroyed by erosion. Then you might have to import soil. If not, you don't import any soil. You use the soil on the road. Based on the strength of the soil, you add stain to it and mix and compact. When you are doing other road for 3 months, you can actually do stain road in a week
This technology was developed in Japan 50 years ago, and there are more than 1,500 construction sites. The oldest one still existing without no maintenance for 45 years. So we, instead of other concrete or asphalt technology, we use soil as aggregate itself. So 90% will be soil. It can be reduce the cost for initial construction and also durable for more than 10 years.
With the use of Stern Magic Sand, a derivative of the Japanese nanotechnology, road construction in Delta State will be easy and quick, and also attract low cost and provide better results for the common good of the state.
Inside the Niger Delta,